You were about to see something I think is really cool. This was back in 2009 when we were remodeling and expanding our house. Please excuse the standard definition video here. We didn't have an HD camcorder back then. That skid steer's in the path of where a huge white oak tree is about to be pushed down. The operator of the excavator doesn't have the keys to his boss's skid steer, so he has to improvise with the chain and the excavator. We were told that the skid steer weighs about 13,000 pounds. That Cat 322B excavator weighs over 50,000 pounds. Watch how he handles this.
Oh yeah. That's that. £13,000.
Cost of money.
You should.
You actually got it.
Yeah. 13,000 pounds is what that thing weighs. 13,000. Look at that.
See, it took this whole end of it.
I know, I got that on video.
With the skid steer out of the way, it's time to push down that big white oak. It was between 60 and 70 feet tall.
I wonder if it's
Give
hollow
him a
at the
little more
bottom.
leverage. Oh, yeah, I think he might have it. Well, then again, he might not. Maybe that tree wasn't so bad shape after all.
Lots of dead Australian horses.
That little tractor may be hit you out there. He's going for it. He's going for it. Not going without a fight, is it? He's already got the boom extended. He's going to have to crawl forward. Oh, maybe not. There she blows.
Right in between. He didn't hit much. Nothing.
Now there's a root ball.
Nope.
Not too bad, not too bad. Got the salt stuff.
What do you do when you get your chainsaw pinched in a big limb? I'll bet you don't do what this guy does.
There you go.
So there you go. More justifications for buying that excavator you've been wanting.